Welcome to my quick Bluehost WordPress tutorial, or an overview, if you will. Today we'll look at Bluehost setup, WordPress management, and additional tools you get, all without that extra fluff. Naturally, to follow along with my beginner-friendly WordPress Bluehost tutorial, the first thing you'll need is a Bluehost WordPress hosting plan. If you've already got one, feel free to use the timestamps, but if not, head to the description and click the discount link to get the best deal on a hosting plan. Oh, and by the way, we keep these links updated, so no matter when you're watching this video, if you're planning to buy hosting, make sure to do that with discounts. Now, I suggest starting with the basic plan. It allows you to host one website with 10 gigabytes of storage, which is perfect for most projects. Plus, the bandwidth is unmetered, so you won't have to worry about traffic spikes. And don't worry, if your site grows, upgrading is as simple as one click. And one last thing, Bluehost allows you to get yearly plans cheaper, which is great for short-term projects. Though, keep in mind, you'll start paying the standard price sooner. Next, you'll need to choose a domain name. Bluehost offers a free domain with every plan. Just type in your business or brand name, select the domain extension, and check availability. If you're undecided, you can use a temporary Bluehost subdomain and set up your custom domain later. Now, select the 1-year hosting period for the lowest monthly rate. Remove the free professional email add-on. It's free now, but renews at a regular rate after 3 months. You can add it anytime later on if you need pro email, but most people can forget about it and get unwanted bills. Once you've completed the purchase and confirmed your email, you're ready to start building. Now, let's look at Bluehost hosting WordPress installation. After logging in, you'll see the main dashboard. To get started, click Website, then Add First Website, or Add Site if you already have one. Click the Bluehost WordPress install button or transfer your site from another host. But let's focus on creating a new site for now. Name your project and hit continue. If you chose a domain earlier, select it now, otherwise use a temporary domain. Wait for the installation to finish and we're done with the how to install WordPress in Bluehost part. See, the whole process was super simple. To begin truly customizing, click Edit Site. Bluehost will ask a few questions to tailor the experience to your needs. Here, we have 2 options. Go with the regular Bluehost onboarding process or choose the future with AI. First, if you go with AI, it's actually kind of cool to create a website from a prompt. It's not super accurate and it misread a few things in the original text, but it created an okay looking design in only a few moments. Once you get your variations, you can check them out in more detail. It's sort of a new thing for Bluehost, so it'll definitely improve over time, and overall, it seems like Bluehost shifted its focus to website builders. We're actually making a video dedicated to that, so if you don't want to miss it, why not subscribe to Cybernews? But let's go with the simpler, more streamlined approach, onboarding. Start by selecting your experience level. I'll choose never used it. Then, pick your market, whether it's business, personal, or entertainment. After that, fill in your site's title and description. Then upload a logo if you have one. If not, I left some links to free logo generators. You can create some nice looking designs with them in a few minutes. I like how Bluehost provides a preview of how this info will look to visitors. Next, you'll choose your website's main focus, whether it's publishing content like blogs or selling products for an online store. Note that this onboarding process is relatively new, so you might experience occasional lags or slight UI changes. Moving on. You'll choose between different color and font combinations. These aren't full standard templates, but starting points for your design. You can customize them later, so for now, just pick one you like. Moving forward, you'll see the plugin selection screen. I recommend Yoast, Jetpack, and the Coming Soon plugin. The last one will display a Coming Soon page to visitors while you work on your site, a feature I personally love, and every popular website should use. Click Complete Setup and your WordPress website is ready. The Bluehost and WordPress Mix dashboard offers a unique layout with helpful features. You'll find an integrated knowledge base where you can type specific keywords like change theme to get assistance. At the top, your site status will display in red if the Coming Soon option is active. A nice time saver. And once you're ready to go live, you can easily switch it off. Since you're here to learn, another great feature Bluehost offers is its WordPress Academy, a free set of courses that cover everything from WordPress basics to advanced SEO techniques. Some courses may require a Yoast account, but since I recommend using the Yoast SEO plugin anyway, signing up is worth it. Now, your site should look something like this. Let's look at creating and editing pages in WordPress. Click Add New Pages, which will bring you to the WordPress editor. You can add text by typing directly, or for more complex elements, click the plus button. For instance, let's add an image by uploading one from your PC, or add a YouTube video by selecting the dedicated YouTube block. Bluehost also offers Wonder Blocks, which are pre-made design elements that simplify building your site. There is actually quite a selection of different elements or pre-made sections. You can even find some more advanced things like a SoundCloud player or reservations. Once you're happy with your page, click Publish or Update to make it live. If you want to see how it looks to visitors, click the Preview button. Now, let's head back to the Bluehost dashboard. You can also upload your media straight to the library by going here. You can use a good old file explorer or simply drag and drop files. Bluehost supports file uploads up to 512 megabytes, but makes sure to optimize large files. I'll leave a link to a tool I use for image optimization in the description. I hope I don't need to tell you not to upload images that are half a gig. Lastly, it's not a necessity, but I highly recommend connecting your social media accounts by creating a Jetpack account. Jetpack provides spam protection and enhances your site's performance, and the basic version is free. After setting it up, you'll see analytics and security features in your dashboard. I also recommend enabling the Akismet tool for additional spam protection. Trust me, you don't want to be on the internet without spam protection. No. Moving on to themes. If you want to change your theme, go to Appearance and choose between using the Bluehost Design Editor or installing a WordPress theme. WordPress offers thousands of free themes, and you can filter by features to save time. Make sure to check out the ratings before selecting a theme, as some lock essential features behind paywalls. If you need just one simple recommendation, I think Astra will be the perfect theme for most of you. Menus are a bit different. If you go with any regular theme like Astra, then to edit navigation, go to the Appearances and then Menus. If you use Bluehost's website builder, the process is a bit different. To create a drop-down menu or rearrange items, you'll need to edit the design directly in the builder. It's not as straightforward as with other WordPress themes, but you'll get used to it. You can add any item from your website, like a page or post, and insert URLs from outside sources. To rearrange things, simply click and drag them. Just remember that there can be multiple menus based on your site setup. You can check all of them in this dropdown. If you need support, Bluehost offers 24/7 customer service directly from the dashboard. They may take a few minutes to respond, but they're usually helpful. You'll also find additional features like WooCommerce integration, which are useful for e-commerce stores. Bluehost includes a caching plugin that optimizes your site's performance by saving content temporarily. You can adjust these settings depending on your content update schedule and clear the cache if needed. For global reach, you can activate Cloudflare's content delivery network, which boosts site speed by distributing your content across global servers. Finally, if you want to test new features without affecting your live site, Bluehost offers a staging environment. This allows you to create a copy of WordPress in the Bluehost dashboard to experiment with. And once you're satisfied, you can push changes live. It's especially useful for avoiding downtime or broken features on a live site. And that'll be it for this quick Bluehost for WordPress overview. You should have the basics of web hosting management, so go and make your website successful with Bluehost. Again, if you want a full Bluehost website builder tutorial, we're cooking one up right now, so stay tuned and subscribe. That was my Bluehost WordPress tutorial for beginners. If you need more help, feel free to drop a comment, and don't forget to check out the discount links in the description to save money. Stay tuned for more reviews and tutorials. Signing out.